Hey DIY decorators and boho hippies, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a nature diorama with faux flowers and dollar store frames. And we're putting it all together with a new glue from E6000 called E6000 Plus. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a nature diorama. Make sure to grab a tube of E6000 Plus next time you're in the craft store. It has all the qualities of E6000, but no odor, and it dries crystal clear. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.